Hi everyone, welcome to channel. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide your conversation or your chat on your Snapchat using your iPhone or your Android mobile phone. So how you can do? Let's get started. Here guys, you need to simply open your Snapchat application. I'm gonna open your Snapchat application, and you can see the type of interface. Here you can go to the messages option. Here you can see the first option. On first message you can see my conversation with my friend. You can see the how you can hide. First of all, you need to select your chat which you want to hide. Let's suppose I'm gonna hide my conversation with my friend on Snapchat. So simply you can select the chat and hold press on it. Select the chat and hold press on it, and simply you can see this type of interface. Here you can click on chat settings and click on it, and you can see the first option, clear from chat feed. Okay, you can click on it. Here you can simply see the clear option. Wait, you are thinking your chat will be deleted? No, it's not deleted. Just way to hide your chat from Snapchat. Okay, simply you can click on it and your chat will be hide. How you can hide your chat? Simply you can search your friend name. Let's pause this chat, and you can see this chat will be not a delete, it's just hide. And you can see your chat will be successfully hide. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in another video.